Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down in order to find the apps. Now let's tap on it, and here we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, at the very bottom of this list, we've got Reset Up Preferences, and after tapping on it, you can see that your device is informing you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, notification restrictions for apps, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. Once more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset, and basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.